Serviced here, non-smoker vehicle, originally bought here, potential factory remaining warranty of X months, X miles. See dealer for details. Land Rover certified, Carfax one owner, very nice, great miles 30,808. Just repriced from $49,999. Santorini black metallic exterior and ebony interior, HSE Luxe trim. Sunroof, third row seat, heated leather seats, four-wheel drive, alloy wheels. Discover the Luther Advantage. The Luther Advantage is a complete and comprehensive package of benefits designed to make buying and driving a vehicle from the Luther dealerships a pleasant and convenient experience. From the peace of mind that comes with a 5-day 500-mile return or exchange policy, 30-day 1,500 miles full warranty and 60-day 2,500 miles limited powertrain warranty and free Carfax reports and clean title guarantee on pre-owned vehicles, as well as providing Luther customers with full range of valuable discounts at participating holiday station stores including 10 cents off a gallon, $6 for the works car wash among other advantages and guarantees. As much as we like satisfying customers, we like keeping them even more. Purchase with confidence, 6-year/100,000 mile limited warranty, complete 165-point inspection, 24/7 roadside assistance. Experts report. Edmunds.com explains one of the LR4's most noticeable interior traits is the exceptionally upright position of the front seats. You sit regally upright without the need to extend your legs forward, and it highlights the outstanding headroom provided by the LR4's tall roofline. Check whether a vehicle is subject to open recalls for safety issues at saferegard.gov.
To ensure the highest quality, this Land Rover Select certified pre-owned vehicle passed a rigorous multi-point inspection. Experience unprecedented coverage with Land Rover Select certified limited warranty. Land Rover certified select vehicles. Our standards are up to yours.